Chapter 12 Time. Let's recall. Time is an ongoing sequence of events. A clock has two hands, a shorter hand which is called as a hour hand and the longer hand which is called as a minute hand. Some clocks also have a seconds hand. If the hour hand is at 5 and the minute hand is at 12, the time is 5 o'clock. Draw hour hand to show the given time. This is 7 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Writing time. 3 o'clock is same as 3:00. The two dots separates hours and minutes. In the same way, 6 o'clock is written as 6:00 and 8 o'clock is written as 8:00. Half past, we know that a 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, half an hour is equal to 60 divided by 2, that is 30 minutes. When minute hand, the longer hand is halfway around the clock at 6 and hour hand is in between two numbers, then the time is half past the previous number. Look at the clock given here. The minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 10 and 11. The time is half past 10 or 30 minutes after 10. This is also written as 10:30. 1 hour is equal to 30 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. Quarter past, 15 minutes form a quarter of 60 minutes. The given clock shows the time quarter past 4. The time is 4:15. Quarter 2. The time shown on the clock is 45 minutes past 5. We can also say it is quarter to 6. The time is 5:45. Then comes the practice coach. Draw hour hand and minute hand on the face of the clocks to show the given time. You can draw 8 o'clock, 7:30, 12:30, 5 o'clock. 10:45, 3:15, 2 o'clock, 7:15. Write the time shown on the face of the clocks. This is 3, this is 1:30, this is 6 o'clock, this is 4 o'clock. This is 12:15, this is 7:45, this is 5:30, then comes to 45. This comes the activity. For a healthy mind and body, it is important to be disciplined in our daily routine and follow a time schedule. Fill in the time at which you do the following activities. I wake up at, I eat my breakfast at, I leave for school at, I eat my lunch at, I do my homework at, I go to play at, I sleep at. You can fill in the time here. Present 5 lines on the topic discipline in your class. Next comes weeks. There are 7 days in a week. Monday is the first day, Sunday is the last day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yesterday, today and tomorrow. The present day is called today. The day just before the present day is called yesterday. And the day just after the present day is called tomorrow. If Sunday, what is yesterday? You can fill in here. Next comes the practice coach. Fill in the blanks. Number of days in a week, which is 7. The 5th day of the week is Friday. The last day of the week is Sunday. The first day of the week is Monday. The day which starts with letter F is Friday. Sunday comes after Saturday. The day that comes before Sunday is Saturday. Fill in the blanks considering today is Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday. Yesterday was Thursday. The day before yesterday was Wednesday. The day after tomorrow will be Sunday. Look at the given calendar and answer the following questions. The day just after 15th is 16th. The day just before 15th is 14th. If today is 15th, the day after tomorrow is 17th. If today is 15th, the day before yesterday was 13th. A year has 365 days. There are 12 months in a year, namely January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Of these 12 months, January, March, May, July, August, October and December have 31 days. April, June, September and November have 30 days and February has 28 or 29 days. Leap year. A leap year has 366 days. In a leap year, February has 29 days. A leap year comes every 4 years. The number of days in a month can also be found out by counting on the knuckles. The months that fall on the knuckles have 31 days and the months that fall on the grooves have 30 days except February. Remember, 1 year has 365 days and 1 leap year has 366 days. This is the project activity. Next comes the practice coach. Write name of the months in which these festivals appear. Children's Day 14th November, Teachers Day 5th September, Independence Day 15th August, Republic Day 26th January, Christmas Day 25th December. Complete the following. The 5th month of the year is May. The month that comes in between March and May is April. The month with 29 or 28 days is February. November is the 11th month of the year. How many months have 31 days in a year? That is 6. Here comes the activity. This is also another activity. Next comes the revision station. Draw the hands on the face of the clocks to show the given time. You can draw here. Write the time shown on the face of the given clocks. You can write. Fill in the blanks. You can fill in the blanks here. Which day comes? Answer the following questions. Which is the 6th month of the year? It is June. Which is the 11th month of the year? That is November. Which is the 4th month of the year of an year? Which is April. February has 29 days in a leap year. The Independence Day is celebrated in the month of August. Next comes the worksheet. Rosie is my pet cat. The clocks show her daily schedule. Look at the time shown in the clocks and fill in the blanks. You can see here and fill. Rosie gets up at 6 o'clock and goes for a morning walk. At 6:45, Rosie drinks milk. Rosie takes a bath at 11:15. At 2 o'clock, Rosie has lunch. Rosie takes a nap at 3:30. Rosie plays with me at 4. Rosie goes to sleep at 8:30. This completes the chapter.